One thing that could be done in an amicus brief is to really highlight public policy issues. In this case, one of the arguments ended up being a public policy argument of not narrowing the scope of a public entity's liabilities and decreasing the ability for folks like cyclists to recover, right? To not do that because of the public policy interest, because, as you know, for the last 10 years, the state of California has been spending tons of money trying to promote cycling and walking and green forms of transportation, trying to get people out of cars. And a lot of that money has trickled down to the city and county level, where cities and counties all now have bike and pedestrian plans. And the flip side of that to occur, which would have been the opposite of if they had not prevailed, in this case, what would have happened was all those people who relied on their city, their county, their state, and got encouraged to do these activities, then would have no recourse when they got injured by the very city or county or state that told them to do the activity in the first place. So I felt that part of the public policy would be compelling.
One of the other issues that has come up, like ones where they determined that, well, if you're riding a bicycle and you're doing it in spandex, there's assumption of the risk. Whereas if you are commuting, you are not assuming the risk. And if you're in jorts, people aren't really sure what to do with you at all.
I mean, they do, but they just don't say. But yes. Well, that was part of this argument here.